good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing great. Today I'm actually recording, this will be my third video of the day. It's Sunday, July 16th, yes. And this will be my 8th video in my California series. At the end of my last video, I wasn't sure if I'd make another one, but I got 4 hours to kill. So now I'm gonna head to a place called the Living Coast Discovery Center. You gotta take a shuttle to get there, so let's go. Nice and sunny and pretty hot, that's for sure, but I'm right by the bay, so I got a nice breeze. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around here and see what we can find. Let's go. Well, first things first, there's a dove. Probably just a mourning dove, but I'm not sure. I'll go home and check. There's a northern mockingbird up on the plant there. Light's actually pretty good. The clouds are helping diffuse the light, so pretty fortunate to get some cloud cover here. It's not very common for San Diego. Speaking of San Diego, oops, didn't mean to do two, but there's the city way down there. Is that another mockingbird? Yeah. Just looking right at me. Oh, I forgot to start my eBird. I've been so bad for that lately. I keep starting them and then driving 40 miles away and forgetting to stop them and forgetting to start them. And alright, there we go. Cool. They have like a little private beach for the birds. Too bad there's no birds. Another view of Mr. Mockingbird. He looks different. Doesn't look as gray. Okay, maybe this way I'll be able to get closer to the birds on the beach. Definitely got closer to him. There's a bunch of turns, of course, right where I just was. Wonder if Merlin will tell me what kind of turns there. Alright, well, I'm just getting back to where the shuttle takes me back to the parking lot. I'm gonna go to another couple spots along the beach, make that sort of into this one video, and then I'll get going to the airport. Well, I didn't end up going birding anymore. I realized I didn't have too much time. I wanted to run to the store and get some snacks and some gum for the plane. Now I gotta go return the rental car, fill it up with gas. So if you're still watching and you followed my San Diego, California series, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below, subscribe to the channel. It'll be a few weeks before I record new content, but I've got so much backed up, it's not even funny. I've got lots of videos from this year, and I'm still trying to finish my Cuba work from January, February. So till the next one, see you later. Thanks for watching.